Hello everyone and welcome back to Minecraft Custom Map Creations. And today we are working on Challenge 5. I've actually gone way ahead and actually completed half of it already. More than half probably, considering how much pain in the butt it's been. You go in this first room. Oh, interesting, upside down stairs, right? Oh, the lever. What's in this room? Get out of my way. Uh-oh. A bunch of dispensers. You know what I've worked on, guys? One of you suggested? Well, I've taken a lot of your suggestions so far, but I still can't pronounce your name. But you know who you are. You suggested an arrow run. So that's the first time I created most. I'm not actually taking any damage, and yeah, it's 15. Actually, you know what's great? If that runs out of arrows, not big. I can always put more arrows in them. Basically, real pain in the butt was to get this. And the door keeps opening and closing. I know that. I've had a lot of trouble. Good enough. It works for the most part. This here, real pain in the butt, getting it to actually pulse. So you see, yeah, it goes on and off, and that's why the arrows are going. And if you're wondering why this is here, that's so when you get to the end of it, you press the switch and it turns it off. Because if that just kept going, real pain in the butt. Yeah, I know those are clicking because there's no arrows in those. But that's the first area. It's the arrow run. This took me. Jeez, I'm looking at the time already. It's taken me nearly 2 hours to do this here. Half of it was spending trying to get that working over there. Real pain in the butt. But yeah, and also getting everything adjusted so the timing was pretty good. Which I think it is pretty good. I can see there's a million arrows over here. You can pick them all up. I think the timing overall is pretty good. Alright, let me just... turn it off for now. Alright. Get out of there. Fix this hole. I can always go back and fix it after I show you guys. Basically, the switch is already on, which stops this thing from pulsing. When you turn it off, all of a sudden this thing starts pulsing. I don't know why. It just does. I'm not good with redstone, especially this type of redstone. This took me forever. I mean, taking your suggestions, I was building it, and I was like, wait a second, I gotta make a pulse generator. How does this thing work? And it took forever. Yeah, this was pretty simple. I was like, wait, how do I stop it? Oh, yeah, that would work quite well. Basically, pops that one out so that all these things stop firing. But yeah, these things will be full with arrows, so yeah, you're not gonna be able to sit around and wait for it to run out. I mean, eventually, I guess it will run out, but yeah. Pulse hole over here, of course, come out here, and I'm just gonna jump over. Comes out up here, and does the same thing on this side. I was trying to put them side by side on one side, but I was having too much trouble, so I figured this will work well enough. And the next thing was suggested was to do, where is it? Yeah, Hope Pasternak 1818 basically suggested a room with tripwires, all in the room with more dispensers, with mobs coming out of those dispensers. So that's simple. That's something I've kind of done before, but I'm gonna make it kind of like a long hallway-ish type place. Kind of like that, but obviously going this way. And then challenge room 6 will be over here. That's kind of it for this side, and then possibly whatever going on over there. But we'll figure it out. And also, one of you suggested, actually in another one of my videos, Minecraft and Friends, the first episode, he posted in there, but basically suggested do an actual story with command blocks. Let's see if I can get these things up. No? Really? Where are you, command blocks? Well, I'll figure it out, actually. You know what? If you guys know about how to get command blocks, let me know. They're not there. I don't know why they're not in there. But, whatever. Figure that out. It'd be nice if you guys could tell me, I guess, if you guys know how to use command blocks. So I can add in a story, but that's one thing I'm going to add in separately. If that makes sense. Actually, I'm realizing I'm going to have to move this down a little bit more. Just a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that'll work. Just in case I put stuff down, nothing interferes. Although, I guess, with tripwires and stuff, that shouldn't be a big deal. I know, finally, no, arrow run is a little bit different. And I read that, I was like, yeah, I like that idea. And I have another idea, actually, which I'll explain it right now. Basically, pressure plates, basically the entire room's covered with pressure plates. Some of them will have something block color underneath, another will have a different color block underneath, and one of those color blocks will activate dispensers, which will, I guess, maybe throw wire arrows at you, or more mobs, or something like that. I don't know if you guys like that idea. Let me know. Be quite helpful. Because without you guys, well, this custom map would probably be terrible. And hey, for my first custom map so far, this isn't half bad. Not half bad. I should probably make it a little bit bigger. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know that, and I shall go on ahead, build this other room. Hopefully it won't take as long as that room. Got 2 hours. I hope it doesn't take another 2 hours. But you know, it takes however long it takes. I'm actually enjoying it, other than stupid pulsing over there. It was a pain in the butt. But I'll figure it out, and I guess I'll be right back. For you guys, for me, it'll probably be an hour or two. So, yep, be right back, guys. Hello, everyone, and I am back from building the next room of Challenge 5, and there is Room 1, the arrow run, and Room 2, well, as I said before, is tripwire with dispensers, and I think I might have gone a little overboard. Let me just put it on easy for you guys, just to see. This is what happens. You press 1. Oh, look. Oh, look at that. 6 of them. You know what's funny? Come on. Yeah, they trip them too. So you trip them over again, they come out. You trip the next one, they come out. You trip the next one, more come out. You trip and they... Yeah. Before you know it, it's ridiculous. And then here is where it gets ridiculous. These last 3. Spiders. Cave spiders. And blazes. And silverfish. Yeah, I think I might have gone a tad overboard here. A little. Yeah, I think I'm going to limit it to like maybe 2 or 3 guys for each dispenser when you actually play it, so, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's just lagging my game up. Let's take this back to peaceful. There you go. So, basically, I'm going to have it where there's... Really? I actually missed a couple legs? Shocking. I'm going to have when you guys... Anyway. Wait a second, that's probably this one... It's not wired up to any of them, is it? Yeah. It is. Sort of. But nothing's coming out. That'll work. I'll know in a second. Yep, that worked. Alright. Just making sure that would work. Alright, what else we got? Yeah, they'll keep coming out. But basically, I'm going to have it when you actually play. There's going to be, you know... two eggs per each one, except when you get to like back here, there's gonna be 1 blaze, 1, just 1, and yeah, silverfish, and like one cave spider in each, you know, so you don't have to go crazy. And also, there's only a couple in each, so you can actually go over them again, and you don't have to worry about more spawning. And also, these here, all of these here are all linked up. I mean, they won't reach from one end to end, just because that's the nature of redstone. Like you trip 1, you know, they'll come out of the first 3 or 4, and there's a couple back there. But yeah, that's basically this room here, which I think... Actually, it's pretty simple. But I like it a lot. Oh, pfft. I'm like, I'm missing something, aren't I? Boom. The door. So you can, do that. No? Well, you're screwed. Alright, anyway. Actually, I guess this door's kind of pointless then. Anyway, what I wanted to do here, guys, is have one little opening. You can actually see the sky, but you can't see anything else I've done. You can kind of see the pyramid. And you keep going here is, what's this? Challenge 6 over here. Now, basically what I decided to do is you come out here, you flip this switch. It's kind of a checkpoint, kind of, and boom. You unlock the Challenge 6. And you go to Challenge 6 right in here, which will be here. And of course, with Challenge 6, guys, as always, what do you want to see for the next one? Well, I asked that. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I like definitely the arrow runs was challenging. other than getting the plus thing to work, it was actually a lot of fun building this. It took a while, but it was definitely a lot of fun, and I'm actually finally learning more redstone. Yeah, that's just lighting the area up. But it's nice to actually be learning more redstone, and that's about it. I mean, whatever you guys want to see. If there's any other type of parkour or any type of challenges, I mean, I was saying before with pressure plates with the dispensers, some with arrows, or some with mobs coming out. You know, you have to watch yourself. I'm not going to do any TNT. I'm not going to be trolling that much. That's a little too much for me. And even the cave spiders are a real pain in the ass. But of course, when I'm done with actually creating the map, I'm going to actually go ahead and create the story for you guys. That, you know, other than maybe I'll show you the first couple things, that are in the story. But I wanted to keep the story a secret for you guys, so it's kind of like, ooh, I know the challenges, but what's the story? I'm intrigued. So, but yeah, guys, leave your suggestions. I mean, I do like the idea of the pressure plate. So if you guys want to see that, or if you guys have any other suggestions, definitely leave them below. I need your suggestions. Otherwise, well, I'm stuck. I can't build challenge 6 after that. I've got the first 5 done, and another, I don't know, at least 2 or I mean, definitely 6 there, 6 here, and then maybe one crazy one, number 7 or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. You know, if I'm having a lot of fun, keep going. Otherwise, whenever I'm done with this custom map, I shall release it to you guys, and then I shall work on the next one. With, of course, help from you guys. So, yep, stay tuned next week for more Minecraft custom map creations. This has been the Tomato, signing out.